Welcome to the Marco Simone Golf Club.
So the Ryder Cup is obviously, a significant temporary event. We've been really keen to engage from a couple of years out on sustainable procurement to, in some ways, invite and in some ways require those partners, suppliers and contractors to contribute to a greener event. It's across the whole energy agenda, which is where Aggreko has, particularly delivered this year.
So the installation we have here on site is approximately 30 megawatts of power and about 12 megawatts of cooling. And within that design we've incorporated around about 1,500 square meters of solar power. So that's to cover all of the buggies that are charging off solar for the teams and the operational staff, the Hilton, a stay on the green, and the contractor's compound.
It's really important that we've got our partners involved in our journey to be net zero by 2040, and Aggreko are integral to that journey and helping us be as carbon lean as possible. We've got Hilton Stay on the Green, where people are able to stay the night, and this is being powered by Aggreko's amazing technology with the solar power